see.
Yeah. I was like, dude, I thought it was, but it sounded way louder than that. It was like a popping noise. I was like, oh, 4.5.
It just sounded like a giant blow off.
Guys, we're here at the fucking
White collar boy.
yeah, white collar's getting dirty for the first time.
He ain't got his gloves. You guys got any gloves?
Yeah, I might.
Which side goes forward?
Don't matter. Like they ain't even that bad, scratch up wise.
I'll put the bad side on top. There it is.
I'll put the bad side on top. Dude, I got that silver spray paint. We'll fix it right
All right, we'll do it when we get it on.
But you want to help me so I don't scratch the piss out of him?
Look at this dog. He's pretty cool.
This is like 170 pounds.
Are you fucking serious, dude? It's like 30.
I'm just kidding, you fucking bitch.
You need to get the gym, dude.
Sure,
Fucking, them fucking typing on them things. All right, I can't be talking like this because we can't put it in the video.
No.
So here we go.
Dude, I hate that your truck's so low.
What the hell?
Might have your air dogs leaks.
It does it?
Or your son.
Does it leak bad?
I don't know. I mean, you can just tell it does. A little.
It ain't bad.
Dude. It's just fuel.
You got a runner in?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Fucking impact.
I know. I said if we had an electric one, I would be down here doing it. Is it even going in?
Yeah.
Alright. He has a hammer, dude.
I'll go get one. God dang it.
Don't fuck up the threads.
He's gonna fuck it up.
I'll throw the nut.
There it is.
Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Don't swing so much.
Damn, he blocked me in.
Dude, Devin.
Hey, dude.
You know you got dual steering stabilizers?
Yeah.
Pretty neat.
What do you think?
You want to take that soot trap off today?
Yeah.
Dude, where were you at yesterday?
Oh, I stayed home.
You fucking Jew. We were here all night drinking.
Really?
Then
We went
they all went to bed about midnight, so we went up. Well, it was probably more.
Bullshit, it was like 1:30.
We went to the mill and closed it down.
We closed that bitch down.
It didn't look like there was very many people in there when you guys were there.
Just the boys.
Did they cut you off?
Fuck no, they didn't.
C-Dub's all about this schmeedy and shit. Look at this.
I'm fucking laying down.
Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
This shirt's 20 fucking. Hey.
I'm always working on something.
Let's go.
Oh,
Look at
right, right.
You guys ain't never helping me. Max Spud.
What's
Hell
up,
yeah.
Devin?
Hey, buddy.
How much?
We doing?
Shit. $100. I ain't got cash on me.
Yeah, Venmo.
How's the truck?
Mint.
You don't know
Looks
what
good
the hell
for
that
the
is.
wheel.
ask about fucking.
Where's it? The one's up there.
There you go, man. I got headlights.
Can we put them in real quick?
Good. I gotta do burnout though.
Well, C-Dub's
Dude,
got
it's
to
only like
fuck
fucking
It's
3 bolts.
How do you
C-Dub's gotta
fucking
fuck
stop
with the other
recording
side.
on this thing?
Yeah.
Press
Well, I got it.
red button.
Well, there's so many. I didn't know how to do that.
Hey, dude, just keep the grill off.
Yeah, better airflow, right?
No
Look
grill.
better.
Yeah, boo.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's right here, dude.
Oh my God, you need a longer. Ooh, you're a mechanic. Well, mechanics why it takes so long to get shit done. 'Cause you got to take everything else off. You don't need to take off.
He works on stingers. He doesn't know how to do that.
True.
That's what it is.
Bag.
See, there's a clip under
No
there.
shit.
All right. I think you know everything.
I do.
You don't even got wheels, dude. You put headlights on it?
Dick.
Got the headlights for these?
That's the headlight that never works, right?
It's going to just fuck it up even more so, really.
It is. That's why we call you One-Eyed Willie.
That's because it was wiring.
One-Eyed Willie. He's always got a headlight out.
Oh, see, that's this right here.
I got a headlight out now.
I had to rewire it.
Oh, that's why. I
Mm.
don't know what's on mine.
You just sit over there and look cute.
Hanging down, Carson. It's hanging down right there.
It looks like a chain.
Change.
That is a chain. Chain? What's that? What do you mean? What's that do?
So don't fucking pogo stick your dumb ass, because those were so
Dude, where's the
Oh, that's
screw?
pretty rowdy.
I don't know if you have screws.
That makes
If
sense.
they break it,
If they break.
I think that's cool.
So they don't pogo stick.
I never even thought about that. Hopefully you actually hit it decent.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
What if I can get it over there, those logs?
Pretty far.
I know it is.
I don't know. Let's
But
see.
with this fucking...
Oh no, I can't ever hit the ball whenever I play.
You gonna give her a try?
Yeah, you ready?
You like that, man?
I like
How much were they?
$100.
What do you think about them?
Well, I think I need wheels
They're
now.
pretty fucking good. I mean, way cooler than yours. Dude.
Alright, we'll only do like 2.
Damn. What the fuck?
A lot of tar.
C-Dub's gonna actually do a burnout? Really?
Yeah.
Should I do it too?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, screwing a good shot.
No.
What do you think?
It was alright. I give it on a radio on a scale of 1 to 10. I give it an 8.
Trying to see up his nose or what?
I give it an 8. You smell that shit?
Oh.
Did it look good? It looked damn good. Joey, seeing you go by.
Devin's new rig, dude.
Hey.
I'm just glad to be here.
Just glad to be here. Glad to be hanging with my friends.
Get this grime off this beast, dude. Dude, she's definitely grimy.
Huh?
She's grimy.
I know.
Needs a bath.
See my location?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm on 213. I'll head a mile north.
All right.
All right.
See ya.
We recorded Jimmy yet? Has he finally made it?
I just, yeah, barely.
I got a boner. Look at your truck, Jimmy.
Oh my gosh, Jimmy.
Yeah, fucking got it.
Dude, that looks good. Hey, you got big power or what? That chode muncher over there.
Big lope guy.
He gave me this like I'm supposed to be recording.
Are you?
I'm just holding it. This guy's fucking mudding.
Dude, he was going through all the mud. I couldn't help it.
Chris is getting ready to do burnouts, donuts in the field.
I think it's good. Max, you gotta do your truck now.
What?
You gotta angle your truck. 3 Dodges over here, 3 Dodges up there. Oh, I thought you said park next to him.
Jimmy's mom. Oh, Jimmy's mom.
What's the plan? What's going on? We're gonna line it up too. We got 3 Dodges on the side. We're gonna put you guys over there. It's good on this side. All right, keep going.
We might need to angle yours different, see that.
I'm gonna have to move on. Yeah, angle yours a little more. Yeah, what the fuck? Dude, this looks badass. Come on, we might have to move closer to Keaton.
That's what I'm just thinking. That's pretty cool. You can't fucking see mine. That little big ass. Hey. Mine is on. Oh!
All right, boys. Hey,
we're out for today. Got some good pictures, got some good drone footage. Posted up by that freaking windmill. That was pretty sick. A little sketchy though. Just the noise it makes, and it's freaking huge. But anyway, hey, PowerShift out. That's a good one for today. Let's get it.